How to fix Messenger incoming calls not showing on screen. In this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger incoming call not showing on screen. First, look for the Messenger app icon among the icons that appear on the home screen. From there, long press on the icon. A menu appears as you can see here. From the menu, tap on the App Info icon. You will land on the App Info section where you will see all the different sections that you can use to change the info on the app. From there, look for an option named Notifications. Here it is, tap on it. As you can see here, the notifications have been disabled. So tap on this toggle button to enable them just like I have done here. After that, you have to make sure all notifications are enabled too. To do that, tap on this other option here and you will get a list of all the different notification types that are there. Make sure all these toggle buttons are turned on just like mine here. After that, come back to the App Info page again. From there, scroll down and look for an option named Storage. Here it is, tap on it. After doing that, you will see this page that has two options. From the options, tap on this one here named Clear Cache. This deletes files that are corrupted which may be causing the issue. Finally, exit the App Info page and open the Messenger mobile application. You will land on the homepage of the app. Sometimes the notifications may be disabled within the app. So, look for an option here at the top information that you need to enable the notifications. Turn it on. If you can't see this option, then tap on the menu option at the top left corner of the screen. A side panel appears as you can see here. From the side panel, tap on the Settings icon and this will take you to the Messenger Settings page where there are options that you can use to change the settings of the app. From there, scroll down and look for an option named Notifications and Sounds. Here is the option, tap on it. As you can see, the notifications are turned off. So, go ahead and turn them on by enabling this toggle button here. It is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to fix Messenger incoming calls not showing on the screen.